Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appliance Fixer Guy here. I'm going to show you how to replace the suspension rods on a top-load washing machine. If your washer is shaking, making loud banging noises, or it's just not spinning correctly, the suspension rods may be worn out. Don't worry, this is a relatively simple fix that you can do at home. And I feel like I should add that gloves are not required, but they definitely will be helpful. These things are wicked sticky. First, open the washer lid, look inside, locate your 4 suspension rods. There's going to be one on each corner, and I have my own secret way of making it way simpler. So first thing you're going to do, once you get the suspension rods out, always recommend going both of the suspension rods on the left or the right. I wouldn't do the front to the back, it just makes it a little bit more difficult. Before you start the simple task of changing the suspension rods out of the washing machine, you have to first do the impossible task of getting them out of the bag. I'm not trying to brag, but this is only 2x sped up. Once you've conquered the bag, the next thing that I do typically is lean the washer to the side and pull the suspension rods out of the bottom. I don't normally do it this way, but I lay the washer on its side so you can see where I'm putting the new rods from the bottom. You have to go from the bottom to the top. You can't go from top to bottom. So once you got it back in, stand the washing machine up. I don't care what anybody says, this is a complete game changer for how to change suspension rod. You're going to take the old suspension rod that you just took out, reach down into the hole that the suspension rod stays in, use the hook of the old suspension rod to hook the new suspension rod. While you have the new one hooked, pull straight up through the hole, and that will let you anchor it with the new plastic piece. Trust me, I've been changing these suspension rods for 5 years, and this is by far the easiest way to do this. You're going to do that for both of these suspension rods. Once you're finished with the second suspension rod, to remember to undo the other 2 suspension rods on the other side. Once you've got those down, you can close your lid. I at least try to halfway latch it back just so it doesn't fly open whenever you lay it on its side. Lean it back over onto the other side of the washing machine, pull the suspension rods from the bottom, slide the 2 new ones in. Again, you don't have to lay it down. I just do it because it's easier for the camera to see. Once you stand it back up, pop the lid back open. Don't do like I did and try to ruin the top, but do the exact same thing you did on the other side with the new 2 suspension rods. Once you get those last 2 suspension rods in, the only thing left to do is to reassemble it and you're good to go. Now for any other type of repair, I would say to run an empty load just to make sure that everything is good and fixed. But this is kind of a special repair where if you run it empty, it won't make a difference. So run a full load through the washer. And that's it. A quick, easy way to replace the suspension rods in your top load washer. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy flipping. Peace.